Alright, y'all, we are out at the rabbit run. And I saw one bunny. One second, baby. I saw one bunny run in there.
Hey, he's digging.
Yep, they do that. That's okay. There's a buck. Cinnabon. Ha ha ha. Trying to hold the camera steady. There's a little bunny hiding over there. I want to see if... Oh, and there's Mom. She's underneath that ladder there. She keeps getting out. Like, she keeps coming back, obviously, but it's annoying. So, I'm going to get that fixed. So it's part of the old chimney that was taken out when the stove was replaced just after I bought this house. And I just have a little run into the black of this little pet box doodad thingy. So let's see if we can see a bunny. There's two bunnies under there. Oh my goodness, that's a surprise. Are there any more over there? So it's just those two. Oh my goodness. Look at them. I'm so happy we've got more bunnies. So now I'm going to have to get a grow out pen for them so I stop losing them. Because they're small, they're easy prey. And I just need to be able to take care of them. And so maybe one of them will survive to adulthood. But oh my goodness, those are some good looking bunnies. Alright, so let's put that back down. And there's my crazy child. Just running amok through the chicken run. Through the holes that were dug. So let's go. And we are inside the chicken coop. I want to introduce y'all to Miss Red. Timothy, be nice. No, I want Miss Red in here. Do not scare them out. So, I just cleaned that out yesterday. And there are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. Timothy, knock it off. Says I just redid their nest boxes. To make this a clean nesting spot. So before I had a 5-gallon bucket set up. Let me go and step outside and show you the mess. Like, the kids were having a meltdown yesterday, so I just left the disaster out here. I'll get it cleaned up and all nice and pretty. Okay, Timothy, you stay out here, all right? I want to show everybody Miss Red. So there's Rhode Island Red, Miss Red right there. She's very impatient when it comes to eating. Are you going to feed him? Oh, she's not doing it today. Normally she jumps into the feed. Fine, whatever. Be that way. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. and then she eats. And then after everybody else gets fed, sometimes she'll hop out. Other times she'll just kind of patiently wait for me to pick her up and move her on out. So I put what I affectionately call caustic earth in their feed, and all it is diatomaceous earth. And what that does is it helps to deworm them. So with the fresh nest boxes, oh, there she goes. I didn't have to pick her up this time. With the fresh nest box with the nesting material and the caustic earth, their eggs will start coming out more clean. Like these over here, these actually look pretty good. They don't look dirty. So yeah, these eggs don't look dirty. We'll see when I pick them up. But so far they're not looking too shabby. But that's it.